That's not recording, is it? Oh! She's got it recording again! I was just doing really bad stuff.
He's going like...
No, I was doing that.
Oh, Santa, if you get decided what to help me out, I know you're kind of busy with your elves right now, and I don't know how. Good, I would say morning, but it's definitely not the morning. Afternoon to all my kings and queens, especially my Cotswolds kings and queens, because guess where I am? Yeah, you got that right. She's back in the world. I've just about escaped here for London. Oh, there's a bit of chaos going on in the background. I've just about escaped here for London, which, whew, thank God for that one. I literally hopped on a train last night. I yeeted myself out of there, said, see ya. Hopefully for the new year. You know, maybe that's optimistic thinking, but I think that's kind of what we need right now. I am coming to you ratty and scatty this morning, but will we expect anything less? It's my first day of home. First day of home. Oh, wow. Do you know what? My coffee machine at home just hits different. Like, the caffeine is flowing in. I can't even remember what I said. Ratty and scatty. You will be seeing me wear this same tracksuit the entire time I'm filming at home. But there's no judgment here, apart from the people walking past who probably think I'm a bloody weirdo. We haven't actually put our Christmas tree up yet. Looking at you, Emma and Howard. To give it to them, they are two working people. And if me and Olivia couldn't find the time to get a Christmas tree, I don't know how they would have. But we've got a Christmas tree waiting outside. We're gonna put the decorations on it. Oh my God, it's so exciting. So exciting. I think we're just gonna decorate the house today. Have a full day of festive tier 3 activities. This tracksuit is Sisters and Seekers, by the way, because I know I'll get questions. Who misses this background? Oh, look, my home, my home. Look at me as a baby. Oh my God, look at the size of that tree. I've never seen a tree so big. Basically, because we left it so last minute. Do you know what? Once it's on the stand, it's not going to be that short. I think it's going to be perfect. Got a little bit of, is this Beatles before I embarrass myself? Oh, got a bit of the birds going on. Woo, tree is up. Who remembers this room? Oh my God. And yes, I did sleep with the teddy I won in a Japanese arcade last night. What about it? I'm at my family home. You can't tell me what to do. And of course, I've been here for a total of 1 day, and this is the state of my room. You can take the girl out of the mess, but you can't take the mess out of the girl. Did that literally make any sense? My wardrobe is looking pretty sparse. Oh my God. My mum told me she got us advent calendars and she couldn't find them last night. Called me a genius, what about it? Also, peep the fact that these are all the clothes I left in London. I really don't know what I thought I was doing ordering this little Zara 2-piece. Okay, business attire. When would I ever wear this? Seriously, when would I ever wear this? Gonna go show these to my sister and she's gonna be absolutely chuffed. Guys, look what I found.
Oh yeah, wardrobe.
They're in me wardrobe. Merry Christmas.
I remembered this morning, I know where they are. They're in Flossie's wardrobe. Oh,
very enthusiastic.
They're really nice ones too.
I know, a bit of lint going on. And just like that, I'm back in bed. If coming home for Christmas isn't the time to be a lazy slob and just have everything done for you, I honestly really don't know when it is. Yay!
Actually, I could pop some of these into that wreath.
Ooh! It's just for a montage. Ooh! Hello, hi, yeah, it's me, and I'm in the car. Whew. Oh my God, have I missed this little Sharon? Actually named Sharon, abbreviation for Shagwagon. And that's probably going to be news to my parents finding out that one, but with the help of my 2 home best friends, we came up with the name Sharon. I haven't driven in forever. I actually need to go into town to run a few little Christmassy errands, which I would love to film. I would also love to film a little Come Drive with me, but I will be listening to Ariana Grande, Christmas and Chill on repeat throughout this entire journey, and a little thing called Article 13, Article 13, Article 14, I can't quite remember, but will hinder me from doing so. And I also have not driven in months. I haven't been home in months, so I think I'm going to need maximum concentration, because not gonna lie, I can't remember a thing. I may as well be sat in the driver instructor's car right now. I need someone in the passenger seat with pedals. So catch you on the flip side, honeys. Music to my ears, man. fucking hate this town. Oh my god, it is a Christmas miracle. I forgot to pay for my parking and I didn't get a ticket. Bloody hell, it's a bit steamy in here, isn't it, lads? Christmas errands I needed to get done have been done. I'm sweating profusely in this mask, may I say. I also got a few like food bits just from Tesco's and M&S, and I got me parents some flowers because they've actually just recently reopened their gallery in a new spot and they've been working so hard, so I thought, you know what, they deserve, ooh, I'm blue, and they're just the light of my life, so I love them so much, and I know they love flowers. Well, my mum loves flowers, my dad will appreciate the effort, you know what I mean? I'm gonna drive home now and do the exact same as coming here, although something really devastating happened. Now that I am living in London, I am used to 3G on tap, and I forget in the Wales I don't have that, so I did not download, there's a light. Jesus. So I did not download the Christmas and Chill album, just presuming I'd be okay to listen to it on 3G. I had to listen to the same song just over and over and over again because it was the only one that would actually download. But we live and we learn, and I did in fact download the rest of the album shopping today. I also met so many of you today, like a silly amount of you, and you were all so nice and made me feel so warm and festive. So if you came over to say hi, thank you so much for being so nice. I'm now gonna drive home and scoff me wee face because the time is actually 4:30, well 20 to 5, so by the time I get home it will be 5, and I haven't actually eaten yet today, probably because I did wake up at 1:30 and haven't really moved around much. There's someone walking towards me with something in tin foil and it's got smoke coming off it, and I know it's gonna be damn tasty. I'm also getting in the car next to me. Why is it so sunny here? I come bearing the gift of the flower to say congratulations for the new gallery.
Aww. Thanks, hon.
Here's a new transition for you. I really excelled. Don't try and tell me I didn't, because I know I did. To be honest, I don't really have any plans for today. I mean, I don't really have any plans for any of the days. I've come back to the Cotswolds for a brain retreat, and by a brain retreat I mean just not using it. Like, she's not being used the entire time I'm home. How cute is our kitchen looking though? Look at all these little Christmas decorations. So sweet, so wholesome. Love the fact we've hung these up even though there are definitely no chocolates inside of them, and you would be correct in assuming that I have already eaten all of the chocolates in my advent calendar. I've also managed to turn our house into a complete mess after only 2 days of being home. I honestly don't know how I do it. I really thought this time coming home I was going to be a little domesticated queenie, show my mum and dad that I've really grown up since moving out, but no. No. Cloud print joggers, hair clips, trainers, suitcases, advent calendars. Oh, cute though. My mum and dad put the flowers I got them last night. When someone come to buy me flowers. Where's my camera gonna focus as well? I feel like everyone has that one Christmas decoration in their house that just you hate, but it has to come out. For me, it's this man. I mean, he's kind of sweet and endearing because he is so ugly. Like yours truly, but he really does nothing. Yes, king, give us nothing. We also had to pin his trousers or else his full batty would be out. I also just remembered the other day, do you remember that period of time where boys would walk around not just with like the band of their underwear hanging out, but their full like bum out? Who let that happen? Why did anyone ever think that was going to be a good look? You know, 2020 may have been bad, but 2013 walking around and seeing fully grown men's bums hanging out the trousers, I thank Jesus every single day that year is over. Oh my god, this really is a Zoella Vlogmas shot. Look at that glare. Ooh. I can't remember if I've already shown it, and even if I have, here's our Christmas tree again. How cool as well, my sister actually painted this. She is a fine arts student of the fine arts. I really miss Olivia and Louisa. We've also got a little bit of festive, what would you call it? Foliage. That little bit on the end is me clinging on to the hope of a New Year's. Oh my god, no, I just tried to fix it and it's nearly all falling off. God, so many metaphors in this vlog, what can I say? Glad to know my parents are loved, on the other hand. It's not a single Christmas card for Flo Dog this year. We won't talk about that. We don't want to get in. Yeah. It's going to be a thumbnail. It's going to be reuniting with my family at the bottom.
Let me get my glasses on to look better.
Got some chai. Do you like chai?
I don't know. Is the answer, to be honest.
Is Anna getting in?
Don't know.
Anna?
Changing her jumper.
Right, Cleggy.
What?
You and your PJs, come on, you're in.
Yeah, I know.
You guys need
Where's the pan?
a leisure
Where's the
suit.
pan?
You need a leisure suit.
Matching.
Yeah.
That would be funny.
I've got a leisure suit.
Do you want to be like this? Like Charlie's Angels. Should we go like this?
Do an impression of how I pose in my photos.
How do you pose?
I don't know. Shoot.
That's not recording, is it? Oh! She's got it recording again! I was just doing really bad stuff.
He's going like...
No, I was doing that. Then I did floss. I should learn by now. I should learn
It's
by now.
always recording. Well, then we're going to
You're-
set up CCTV and do a Big Brother style in this house.
Sneaky.
Don't.
No,
Please
don't.
don't.
Especially
No,
when I
I'm too old.
come down in the middle of the night in pants.
Too old, too ugly.
No.
It needs work. It needs
That's not
time and
happening.
preparation.
Permission is not granted for that. Oh.
Hey!
Get in, ladies. Ah, teamwork really is dreamwork. Okay, ready? No, come closer, come closer. A little closer.
There's no Christmassy things behind us though.
You just got my boob with your hands.
Who?
Howard.
Perfect.
Not for
Thanks,
the first
guys.
time.
And so conveniently, I just cut the camera off as my mum was saying, not the first time. So that was the rest of my evening, sat retching over the toilet all night. Now to close this vlog off, a little story time for you. Honestly, like, I know this filter is not supposed to be flattering, but she really said like wang eye. What is going on? I had planned to make some cookies in this vlog. I got all the ingredients to make some like chocolate orange cookies, but I went into Waitrose on my way home because I had some things I needed to pick up. Basically a stick of butter. All I needed was a stick of butter. A pretty simple task, you may think, until I walked into Waitrose and I was confronted with one of the most beautiful boys I've ever seen in my life. Got really flustered, grabbed a bag of Quality Street and walked straight out. So that was that. The cookies were scrap because I did not in fact have the right ingredients, but hey, bringing you a little bit of Christmas realness, sometimes you get in a brain fart. Me every day, me throughout this whole vlog. Anyone who's watched this, I'm sorry, it's the 10 minutes of your life you may never get back, but that's not my problem, that's not my responsibility. I'm so terrified of myself with this filter. It's really, really scary. Like, really, really scary. Why do my eyelids look like they've got about 20 mils of filler in them? I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was a really super chill one. Not gonna lie, I've kind of been deliberating, is that the right word? Contemplating uploading this because I know it's not the juiciest of vlogs in the world, but it's a little bit of fun with my family and maybe one that I'll want to look back on. Maybe one I'll show my kids. I'm really thinking about kids. There is no chance in hell kids are happening anytime soon. I love you all so much. I hope you are all okay. I know, like, weird circumstances at the moment. Just know I'm sending so much love to all of you from me and my weird little eyes. I love you all so much. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and I will see you all very, very soon. Probably a lot sooner than you're expecting. I'm going to be on my upload grind, so look forward to actual good videos, because this wasn't one of them. I love you all so much and I'll see you all very soon. Bye. Oh my god. This is really scary.